Good morning, everyone. I feel like I start off a lot of videos here, but welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 5. I'm so excited. Sorry, my iPad is like backlighting. I'm so excited. I have a really busy day today, but it's gonna be a good day. I'm in a lot of a better mood. I can't even talk. I'm in a way better mood than I have been. So today I need to pack, and why did my voice just crack? I need to pack for the weekend, and I need to edit 2 videos, and I need to do Pilates and go on a walk, and it's just gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. So it's just one of those days, one of those good days. And yeah, I'm also gonna be buying my camera this weekend. I just am really like finalizing the one that I want and making sure that that's the one I want before I buy it. So I'm gonna be buying it this weekend, which I'm excited about as well. I had a good-ish sleep last night, definitely better than the one I had the night before. But anyway, I'm also happy because so far Vlogmas is not full of just like 5 to 10 minute vlogs. I have actual footage of vlogs, so I'm actually excited that I'm able to keep them long, because that's my goal for Vlogmas, is to have longer, fuller vlogs, not just like short, empty, boring ones. And also, if the videos are a little bit boring, stay tuned, because this weekend's videos will be a little bit more fun and interesting. But yeah, let's just get on with the day. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. Also, I didn't show you guys my nails. I got my nails done yesterday, and I just did this little light pink color. It's so girly. Anyway, okay, just finished getting ready. So, have to go do number 1, which is packing. Hence why I'm still in my loungewear, because I'm going to be trying on clothes. I always try on all of my outfits when I pack. It's just like something I do, something I always do. Even if I've worn this like a million times before, I'm still gonna try it on before I pack it. But that is number 1 on my list, is packing. So we're gonna go do that. Hey guys, so I just had a meeting, and now I'm just going to edit. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am just editing, and I'm going to edit, and then I'm gonna pack, because I'm just behind. So I need to edit, pack, and then I will work out, and it's already 10 after 4. So I have a lot to do, beginning with editing. So let's just knock that out of the way right now. So I'm currently packing all of my stuff, getting it all ready. And I set up my workout space. I'm gonna do a combo of strength, HIIT, and Pilates today. Do a 3-in-1. So do like 30 minutes and do like 10, 10, and 10, and 5 just abs. but just wanted to catch up. So I'm just getting dinner ready. I'm gonna do a little pasta, free corn pasta. And I'm just boiling the sauce, and I'm gonna do boiling the water. And I'm gonna do that with some tomato sauce, I think. Just like super plain, simple dinner.